Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to apply a 100% natural living hair conditioner. I'm excited to show you how it works on braids. So I have this very long made of colorful braids. Yes, I love colored braids. Yeah, I'm switching to the left. Okay, so get set, ready, go. First, I will use my name as you've seen. Then I'm spraying in my moisturizing hair spritz tonic. And I'm going to ensure that it gets to the hair and to the scalp. The spray bottle has a tiny spray nozzle outlet which delivers the moisturizing hair tonic as a mist. This doesn't soak my hair, neither my braids, so it's not heavy after use. As you can see, it's coming out like a mist. And after this, I'm going to be applying the little hair conditioner now. The bad news is if you're dries or your locks, sorry, you can't use this because it's going to detangle, it's going to unlock your braids and it's going to unlock your locks and braids. I'm going to be applying the conditioner to every part of my head, where my hair resides, where my hair is under the braids, do everything possible and you do everything possible to ensure that your hair is moisturized. Now, you do this 1 or 3 days, that's fine, but for the hair spritz, you have to do everything that you have to keep your hair moisturized. And then I'm going to run in 3 days to run in completely off my hair to ensure that I do not leave any hair untouched as much as possible. See, done.